Okay, so let's bring some life into this character by making them have these beautiful eyes. So let's go over how to make these eyes in Vroid Studios. So here's a step-by-step of literally every single stage I took. So I'm going to remove every single layer. Okay, so we start off with our lovely base. So we have our base, purple, cool, great, got it, good. Then we add in our center of the eye, so we have a darker, like a medium purple and like a darker purple in the center at the top. Then we added another shade of pinky purple and kind of leaving a little tiny lip at the top. I don't know why I did, but I did, because I was probably going to cover over it with this darker purple. Basically, I was just layering different colors of purple. I was feeling purpley. Okay, that's what happened. Next, then we added another shade, and I just turned down the layering opacity. Then I added these like little blue, whatever these are, that is there. And then I added another shade of blue, just add some different colors from the purple layers. Did anything change? Yes. I added pink and blue. Very little changes. And then I was like, you know what? Let's cover all the stuff that I did at the top with this other purple and called it a day. And that's how I created these eyes.